Legal battle over marriage licenses in Rowan County moves back to federal court tomorrow. A judge has summoned Rowan County Clerk Kim Davis and her deputy clerks to the courthouse in Ashland. The judge will hear a motion calling for Davis to be held in contempt of court. Today, she turned down a same-sex couple from Ohio who came to Rowan County for a marriage license. WYMT's Monique Blair has a preview of what we can expect tomorrow at the hearing.
Davis's response says in part she should not be held in contempt because, quote, she is presently unable to comply with the court's order. Going on to say, quote, it irreparably and irreversibly violates her conscience by directing her to authorize and issue same-sex marriage licenses bearing her name and approval, end quote. The response later states there are less restrictive alternatives that provide the plaintiffs with marriage licenses but do not substantially burden Davis's sincerely held religious beliefs, such as distributing marriage licenses through an online statewide licensing scheme, or deeming Davis, quote, absent for purposes of issuing same-sex licenses. On Wednesday afternoon, U.S. Attorney Carrie Harvey issued a statement concerning Davis, saying in part, quote, we have grave concerns about the reported failure to comply with the court's order. Government officials are free to disagree with the law, but not disobey it. It is time for the clerk and the county to follow the law, end quote.
Again, that was Monique Blair reporting. Also today, Kentucky Republican Senate President Robert Stivers said in a court filing that Judge Bunning needs to give the state legislature time to pass a law that would exempt Davis from issuing marriage licenses. Stivers noted the state legislature isn't in session and won't be until January. Governor Beshear has already said he will not call for a special session of the General Assembly to deal with that issue.